Hi, what's your name?
I'm Adam, and you?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. You?
I'm from India.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I love my country.
Me too. Canada is cold but beautiful.
Haha, I like warm places.
Same. What do you do?
I'm a college student.
Cool. What do you study?
I study English literature.
That's great. I study computer science.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, I love technology.
Do you like your college?
Yes, it's fun. My friends are nice.
That's good.
What about you?
I love my classes, but exams are hard.
Haha, same here.
What are your hobbies?
I like music and football.
Nice. I like dancing and reading.
Cool. What kind of books?
Mostly stories and novels.
I like mystery books.
Oh, me too.
That's awesome.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Avengers.
Great choice. I love Frozen.
Haha, that's fun.
Yeah, so, what's your dream job?
I want to be an engineer.
That's cool.
Thanks. What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
That's a lovely dream.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.